my happiness and my worries. Thank you, lovers, who have made me the happiest bride as I am. Being with you for the past 6 years made me realize how blessed I am. Your kind heart and making sure that I'm safe held my hand. With you, I know I'm secure and found my peace. Thank you for being such a responsible person in everything. I can still remember when we were just starting. You proved to me that your word was true. You stayed and stood with me despite my flaws and imperfections. And today, I promise to honor and love you unconditionally. I vow to be your guiding light in times of difficulty. I vow to walk with you and support you every step of the way. I vow to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to share in silence when you are not. And I vow to be giving and forgiving to always. Our next chapter wouldn't be that easy, but rest assured that I am willing to help you to work with this. You will be the best thing we face in all the trials you encounter in this marriage. I know I'm far from being perfect, but I promise to be the best wife that I can be, and the most loving mother to our soon-to-be kids. I'll take care of you and the family we're dreaming of. You will be forever enough. My favorite food and travel partner. I always say that for this day was growing old. You are my today and my tomorrow. I love you, Ian. Ian, please.
Ready ka na? Sasabihin ko na. Lovers, at last. At last, nandito na tayo. After this long preparation, after na mahaba-habang banggaan ng ideas from the start at kahapon to make our wedding memorable. Ito na. Ito na talaga. Nasa harap ng sagradang altar para yung pangarap ng isa't isa ay magtatuo bilang isa. Pero, puputuloy ko muna itong kataga para magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot ng aking panalangin, ng aking kahilingan. At ito na yun, ang pagtayo natin sa harap ng Panginoon at nangangako ng kaalagaan, higit-higit, susuportahan ang mga kaibigan. At isasabay ko sa worship to God for us to grow and become stronger. Maraming salamat sa 6 years, 4 months, and 23 days, and now we will belong forever, our bond and love for each other. Sa hirap man maging hawa, and promise to you, lahat ng problema dumating, sabay natin haharapin and we overcome it all because we both know we have our great God na bumabagay sa atin simula pa isa. Lovers, napakadami na natin pinagdaan sa relasyon. Andyan ang mga pagsubok. Andyan ang mga pagsubok ng umasa at nagpatibay sa ating pagsasamahan at sa ating pagmamahal. Sabay natin nasaksihan ng munting pagbabago ng panahon, pero ang ating pagmamahalan ay mas tumibay na tila ng isang tado. Sabay tayo lumaban sa hamon at tila ba'y gusto tayo pagwalay ng tadhana. Pero dahil sa Panginoon na siyang sentro ng lahat ng ito at walang pagpapagtitiwala, ang problema ay kusa at umusang na wala. Lovers, sabay tayo nagsumikap ng araw at nagtulungan upang makamit natin ang gusto natin sa buhay. Lahat ng meron tayo ngayon ay tulong ng ating mga magulang, kamag-anak, kaibigan, sa ating sarili at sa ating ama na nasa kaitaas-taasan, na kahit kailan ay hindi tayo pinabayaan. Lahat ay gagawin ko para sa iyo, para masaya ka at mapagsilbihan ka. Sa panghabang buhay natin magkasama. Naniniwala ako na wala tayo hindi kayang lampasan. Basta palagi mong tandaan na meron ako at na meron akong ikaw at meron kang ako na mananatili pang habang buhay. Lovers, I love you so much and always be okay. Ikaw ang lagi kong priority. I love you.